is Umesh. Welcome to my channel Jimmo. I'm going to review a product called Monster Content Creator. I'm going to share with you the front ends, OTUs and bonuses of this product called Monster Content Creator. And Monster Content Creator is going to launch on 10th of December 2021 at 11 a.m. EST. This Monster Content Creator vendor is Mr. Vishnu, and Mr. Vishnu is going to launch this product on 10th December 2021 at 11 am EST. So let's not waste time. I'll go and share with you the front ends of this product called Monster Content Creator. So the front end is $16.93. So this is the front end value, and if you don't want to write content yourself and don't want to spend enormous amount of money hiring content writers, then don't disappear. You are going to get an interesting surprise. Finally launch your full-fledged 100% unique online business with this simple yet powerful software called Monster Content Creator by Vishnu. It's very simple, only 3 steps you have to use. First step, fire up this bad boy, press a button, sell 100% original unlimited readable content. Powerful and intelligent software that will rewrite any piece of content, and this will be human readable, make sense content, turn any video into content. That's right. With Monster Content Creator, you are a push of a button away from transcribing any video into an article. With just a click of your mouse, you will have 100% unique content that search engines, especially Google, you love. This means better ranking. 100% copy escape pass. Monster Content Creator creates content that is unique for search engines and will pass the copy escape test. Easy to use. The effective software is so easy to use that even newbies can use it without getting lost. Multiple stream of content, from turning videos into articles to automatically curating and then rewriting contents to making any article you insert it in. Its unique Monster Content Creator takes care of all your content generation. I'm going to share with you what you are going to receive after picking up this product called Monster Content Creator. Fully fledged content curator, value $197. Push button, 100% unique article, value $497. Transform any video into an amazing article, value $197. Automatically video curator and posters, $297, plus a ton of other features including with your investment today. That means you are getting assist at least $1189 worth of value. So wait, what if you don't have that kind of cash? Don't worry, you will see that the catch is that this is a special offer. So for a limited time you are offering this for an extremely low price. Take advantage before it changes. Regular price is $197, but today if you'll pick this product, you have to pay only $16.93. So this is the product, and so now I'm going to share with you the information of OTO 1. Here's your chance to take Monster Content Creator to the next level and become a pro marketer in 60 seconds. OTO 1, only you have to pay $26.93. See all articles generated for huge profit, drip feed, sports, and published to unlimited site inside one app. So the right to sell the article, publish to unlimited site, drip feed and schedule articles, unparalleled price, that is included in your purchase today. Developer license sale, generated article $1670 value, published to unlimited size, $535 value, drip feed and schedule post, $735 value, total value $2940, but regular price is $297. but today if you pick this OTO, you have to pay just only $26.93. So this was the OTO 1. Now I'm going to share with you the OTO 2. So get hundreds of clients hooked on Monster Content Creator, sell Monster Content Creator license and cash in the profit. Regular price is $397. Today if you pick this OTO 2, is $36.93. add to cart. So with Monster Content Creator white label, you can rebrand Monster Content Creator as your own, sell Monster Content Creator to clients, extra revenue stream, So the white label license allow you to rename the software and rebrand it as if it is yours. With the white label, you can get a right to sale license and keep 100% of the profit with no tools out other there doing what Monster Content Creator does. You can easily target small business and get them as client by securing their videos and brands. In OTO 2, you get reseller license, rebrand the software, unparalleled price. So what is including in the purchase today? Seamless software rebranding, $1970 value, reseller license to Monster Content Creator, $2970 value, total value $4940, regular price is $397. But today, if you pick the OTO number 2, today you have to pay only just $36.93. So if you are thinking about picking up this product OTO, you can pick up this today with the product called Monster Content Creator. I'm going to share with you the members area of this product called Monster Content Creator. When you pick up this product called Monster Content Creator, you'll go to this members area. Here they have given the link, and then you have to paste this link. It is a desktop software, so you need to download the full zip folder from the link above. Make sure to extract all the contents inside the same folder on your desktop, then proceed to run the Excel file inside AppZip. For any help, the assistant, please email. Email ID is given over to understand exactly how the app works. Watch this video. I'm sorry the video is not working. Let's go to the bonuses page. What bonuses you are going to receive after picking up this product called Monster Content Creator. You can pick 4 bonuses. All of these have reseller right. Webby apps turns an WP site into a fully fledged mobile app. Then Vidpix lets you place any button, obtain forms and even videos on the top of your image. Ultra creates a one-click video site complete with monetization. Videos type of a powerful desk app that creates incredible presentation for your videos and webinars. Hashtag Genius bring you viral social media traffic at the push of button, all with the power of hashtag. Logo Studio create amazing logos with the push of button from hundreds of high quality templates. Important instruction: install Adobe Air Runtime before using this app. Then with contact curates and monetize video and autopilot, so you always have fresh, high converting and easy to rank content on your site. Link supremacy provide the first balance of backlinks to skyrocket straight to hashtag 1 in Google in less than 7 days. Download here. FB Vidmate creates entire fully monetized site out of Facebook feeds, new feeds. Vidlock is a premium WP plugin that lets you capture leads and make more sales by locking your videos until visitors perform a certain action. With Promo Pages is a premium page builder that comes with tens of ready-made templates of your high converting sales page. My longest running product article buddy generation 100% unique content at the push button of button. So these are the bonuses you can pick. Only 4 of these bonuses if you pick this product called Monster Content Creator. So now I'll share you the video of this product called
Todd Gross. I found something that is beyond dynamite. It's extremely low cost, running well under $10 at last check, and it does what has to be the impossible. It invisibly rewrites articles, and you could spin them too, so it rewrites it over and over and over again, but it does it invisibly. In other words, the article looks exactly the same. It's completely readable because it appears to be completely unchanged. All the changes to the human eye. If you want to see a demonstration of it, just hang in there. Just record a little demo of me doing this. And maybe a little stop and start because I was so excited, but let's take a look. Hi, it's Todd Gross. You know that feeling that you found something really special and you just kind of flip out? Like when I was a kid, I found a $5 bill once. And I don't know about you, but when you're 12 and you find a $5 bill on the street, at least back in my day, hey, that was a big deal. Well, I've just uncovered an article rewriter 2, that is so revolutionary in concept that I just can't believe what I'm looking at. Now, I'll give you an example. Right now, you can see, for instance, that I have put in the keyword astronomy. So I pressed get like this, and what it did is it went out and actually found an article for me in astronomy as a niche word. This is the article that it printed out. Here, let me clear it and do that again. Okay? Astronomy for children, teaching children through astronomy. Now, I checked in Copyscape. Okay, this is Copyscape here. I'm looking at it right now in the window. And I searched for that exact paragraph, and sure enough, that comes up in several different listings. Astronomy for children, astronomy for beginners, First Friday Talk, Study the Stars. All right, so that article is actually all over the place. It's just plastered all over the place. So you'd think that you'd never be able to spin it in a really easy way and do another search and see nothing. Now watch what happens, okay? So I'm going back into my article rewriter. Now what I'm going to do is press execute. In this box. Now, even though it reads exactly the same to anyone that can read English, what the programmer has done is he swapped out certain words, what he calls the stop words, like is and not, those kind of things. And he's taken those words and changed them in a way that the computers that are looking at them, the bots that are looking at them, do not recognize them as the same word as on this side. So even though we're reading it the same way, the computers are not reading it the same way. So the article are the stop words that you want to be changed. And you can put that in here on the left. And of course, this is where you find the articles, or you could put in your own text, for instance, from iMaster YouTube, which I sold 2 weeks back and last week. You get articles from videos. You could put that here on the left. And then most of us can ignore this, the HTML encode. We could say only do this on stop words that we put in there, all right? If we check that box, the stop words are those little words, and the spin. Now, when you spin and execute, watch this, you get what, again, looks like the same word over and over again, but these are all actually different words when the bots look over the article. So this is an incredible find, an incredible product, which currently is only running $8, but going up fast. I've never seen a rewriter do what this does, so that what it rewrites looks exactly like the original.
So I think that this product is done for you, already done for you. All the things are being made very easily by Vishnu, and the Monster Content Creator is, I think it is very useful to you and dear friends. Okay, what I want to say is it's done for you product for you. So if you are going to pick this product, please pick this product by my link given in the description box below this video. Today's price is only $16.93, so you should go for this. And I'm really thankful to you for watching my review and hearing my review about this product called Monster Content Creator. Thank you very much. And dear friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit like, share and bell icon button, and also comment. Please do comment how was my review. Please let me know what changes I must do in my review. Your suggestions are most welcome, and I'm really thankful to you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Have a great day. All the best.